Okay, okay. Tingnan mo yan, tingnan mo yan. Wala na, tumingin.
Good. Nice one. Nice,
Kuya, corner. Please, please. Sapa. Hey, please.
Let's go.
Angat na konti.
Next game for field number 3. Bulacan Panthers versus GK Sipag. Next game for field number 4. CM7 FC versus Palayan FC. Again, under 15 division. Field 3.
Hey! Ikot yung iba. Pantay. Yan.
Wait lang, Malayan. Okay, we go now to the individual award. Our best midfielder is